Hey, what's going on, y'all? I really did not have any thoughts about actually talking during this recording, but I figured I should explain myself. This painting was supposed to be for a couple of friends who did something nice for me, and I wanted to do something for them. And so they're podcasters, so I wanted to use their podcast colors in the painting. And I saw this idea on another YouTube video. Someone recorded it like a year or so ago. So I went out and got the paper cups and everything so I could squeeze them. And it was a really cool idea. I don't think my execution was everything. I think what I did was I was kind of in my feelings about something, and I just kind of did too much. I didn't really expect to do this much. I didn't really expect to put this much color on it. I wanted some more white to show through. I went back off camera and added a little bit more, but I went back through with some white, but you can't really see the white streaks except for like a couple of pieces right there. But all in all, I like the idea. I think I did a little bit too much with it. So I'm gonna try again. So this will be, you know, it was a learning experience. It's my first time trying it like this. I really enjoy it, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. So do things like share and subscribe, and yeah, facebook.com/PTCAC. I'm out of here.